Yeah, as you can see here, we're supposed to set it to 400 and then rip off the wrapper and then put it in there and it's golden brown delicious. Okay, how do we do this? Okay, would you not think that's it? Hey! Preheat the oven. I'm not. Nope. How do I do this? Bake. I don't know. Oh yeah, that's perfect. That's perfect. That's amazing. Where'd the box go? God, Jesus. Okay. We need to remove this and put it on this. Move the plastic. Carefully, Jennifer. Shut up, Sharon. Oh my God. Oh my God, these are red. Wow. It's blurry face over here. Now we have to make the pizza pretty. Because that's all we're doing here at the Ratchet Kitchen. Right, Sharon? Oh, yeah. So, we want to 21 pilots. Yeah, so. You gotta just make it, yeah.
The trash.
Okay, very. Apparently to some 9-year-old we're fan boys and girls. Have that with stuff. Okay. I have a very unsteady hand. Very. Okay. Now that you have that, wait. It does not look like it, but whatever. We're gonna make it better. Yeah. I did not sound ratchet at all. Whoops.
Oh my God.
All right, now what are you doing?
What?
Now we just have to wait. Oh my God! Time to put it in. Right? That's what we do. Yeah. Okay. God, Jesus, I don't like this. All right. Well. All right. I don't like this. In the oven for 19 minutes. I'm crying. It feels like I'm dying. And it's amazing. Okay. Now we just have to, you know,
wait till
this.
Congratulations.
Oh my God, I actually did it. I do not like the oven. I did it.
Oh my God, the clique would be proud with all the Abby.
Oh my God, I did it.
Suicide.
I did it. Sharon! Jennifer! Yeah, we're trash. Thanks for watching. Bye. All right, well, is that recording? Yeah, okay. This is the Ratchet Kitchen. This is why we're amazing at this. Sharon, stop. Jennifer, oh my God, why are you running the video? Okay, well, I have to. Oh, this is what? This is the result of that's mild stupidity. Ah! Great job. All right, we need to make. Come on, Jesus. What? I just started recording. Are you freaking serious? Get up. Look at her. Merry Christmas. I don't. Oh, there it goes. I said too much.
Ow.
Get out of the way.
Jesus.
Always spell. You want an choreo?
No.
Josh Dunn's here. I love everything you do. When you come around, I'm the stupid things I do. Oh my God, Sharon, sing. This goes up. How? Oh my God. Time to put it in. Right? That's what we do. Yeah. Okay. God, Jesus, I don't like this.